24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. As we know, there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activities. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Discuss the importance of taking turns. Ask the children to stand up, tell their name and their favorite color while taking turns. Appreciate them afterwards. Now show the picture of a yo-yo and ask the children if they know what it is. What is its color? Do they know its name? Some of them may answer correctly. Encourage them. Then tell the whole class that it is the picture of a yo-yo. It is red or any color, and its name is yo-yo. Ask them if they can tell about it. You may get mixed responses. Tell them that yo-yo is a toy. Now, show to the class the yellow color and frame the questions like you have asked about the yo-yo. During this, if the children give you a wrong answer, just correct them and treat them kindly. Recognition of letter Y and related vocabulary activity. Tell the children that today they will recognize letter Y. Learn its related vocabulary and trace the small letter Y with correct formation. Start the lesson by singing the following song with the children.
A tisket, a tasket, an orange and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my friend and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Write the letter Y on the writing board. Tell the children that this is small letter Y and it says ya. Say the sound of the letter Y. Introduce the vocabulary with the help of the book. Show pictures and say words with their initial sound.
Y, ya, yarn. Y, ya, yarn. Y, ya, yarn. Y, ya, yarn.
Repeat at least 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Formation of letter Y activity. First of all, get attention of the children. Encourage them to sit up straight and not bend their backs. Draw 4 lines on the writing board. Write the letter Y on the last 3 lines and give instructions. Start from the middle and draw a diagonal line down touching the 3rd line. Go up to the middle and draw another diagonal line down in the other way below the 3rd line. Ask them to open their textbook and trace the letter Y with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace the letter Y in the air or on their desks or on their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled letters on the writing board and ask the children to recognize Y. Reinforcement worksheet of the letter Y can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.